If you're the proud owner of a Toyota Corolla, then you probably chose this car for its reliability and low maintenance appeal. There's one thing that can bring even your car down to its knees, which is the battery of a Toyota Corolla. They are responsible for powering all of your vehicle's electrical components. Let's take a closer look at the top 5 batteries for your Toyota Corolla. Number 1. Optima Red Top. The Optima Red Top fits all late-model sedans, crossovers, SUVs, and trucks. With its spiral cell design, the Red Top provides a steady power source for your vehicle in all weather conditions. Specification: Type: AGM, which means absorbed glass mat. Cold cranking amps, 720. Weight: 31.7 pounds. Dimensions: length: 9.38, width 6.75, height 7.69 inches. Voltage: 12 volts. Reserve capacity at 25 amps, 90 minutes. Warranty: 3 years of personal use or 1 year of commercial use. Number 2. Die-Hard Platinum AGM. I trust Die-Hard batteries because of the brand's longevity and continually high customer reviews. The Die-Hard Platinum is an excellent battery for late-model vehicles with electronic-intensive features, like heated seats, navigation, reverse cameras, advanced infotainment, and connectivity systems, and start-stop technology. Specification: Type: absorbed glass mat. Cold cranking amps, 650. Weight: 40.4 pounds. Dimensions: length: 9.06, width: 6.94, height: 8.88 inches. Voltage: 12 volts. Reserve capacity: 100 minutes. Warranty: 3-year free replacement. Number 3. Odyssey Performance. Odyssey batteries have a long service life, high reliability, and deep cycle capability, making them an excellent choice for any truck, SUV, sedan, or crossover. Thanks to their internal design, Odyssey batteries deliver twice the power and triple the life of a conventional lead-acid battery. Specification: Type: absorbed glass mat. Cold cranking amps, 600. Weight: 40.3 pounds. Dimensions: length: 9.50, width: 6.90, height: 6.90 inches. Voltage: 12 volts. Reserve capacity: 90 minutes. Warranty: 3-year free replacement. Number 4. AC Delco Gold. AC Delco batteries are internally pressurized to increase vibration resistance and maximize overall service life. It features full frame, stamped grids, for durability, thicker positive plates, improved cyclability, negative cell clearance with compression to improve vibration resistance, and a cover designed to protect against self-discharge. Specification: Type: absorbed glass mat. Cold cranking amps, 850. Weight: 51.6 pounds. Dimensions: length: 12.4, width: 6.90, height: 7.5 inches. Voltage: 12 volts. Reserve capacity: 90 minutes. Warranty: 3-year free replacement. Number 5. EverStart Max. The EverStart Max lead-acid battery is the least expensive option on my list. These lead-acid automotive batteries deliver 850 cold cranking amps for reliable starts regardless of the weather conditions. Specification: Type: absorbed glass mat. Cold cranking amps, 850. Weight, 47.4 pounds. Dimensions, length, 11.90, width, 7.45, height, 7.74 inches. Voltage, 12 volts. Reserve capacity, 90 minutes. Warranty, 3-year free replacement. If you're simply looking for the best battery for Toyota Corolla, then you must find one that matches your vehicle's original specifications. If you're wanting to replace the battery in your Toyota Corolla, then hopefully I have made this task easier for you with my list of the top 5 batteries. Thank you so much for your patience. Happy driving.